How to make a link tree on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply search for Linktree in your browser and then open up the very first link. You can do this on your mobile device as well, and this is where it will take you. Now you can sign up for a free account, and as soon as you sign up, it is absolutely free by the way, and after that you can add different links of different platforms, your socials basically, or your e-commerce website as well. Simply add these links with the names and you would be able to combine all the links on one single page. You can also add a display picture for that particular page where all the links will be shown. Like you can see the display picture over here, you can customize it as well. And after adding all these links and your profile picture, you can select the theme of showing up all these links at one place, and you will get a combined link of all these links. You can copy that link and paste it on your TikTok profile, and this is how you would be able to add the link tree on your TikTok, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.